I haven't got a clue. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to get through. I can't get through to you. I couldn't make a plan. The hurt I couldn't stand. Met all of your demands. I just don't understand. I never lost my heart. I never lost the picture in my mind. But if you did, that's alright. I'm sure it's here, but this is not the time. I'm walking in the rain, the teardrops and the pain. I'm showing no restraint. Can't hide it, I just can't. I ask myself within, what were you thinking? How deep you've fallen. I never feel the shame. I love you all the same. I'm here simple and plain, regardless of the pain. There's so much I can say, but that's it for today. I'm gonna be okay. I'm walking